Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Alfa Romeo Giulia. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to achieve your ideal driving position. The Giulia's cockpit is driver-focused, so everything is intuitively placed. To start the engine, simply press the distinctive red button located directly on the steering wheel. This unique feature adds to the car's sporty feel and prepares you for an engaging drive. The Alfa Romeo Giulia features a DNA drive mode selector, allowing you to tailor your driving experience. D for dynamic mode provides sharper throttle response, quicker gear shifts, and a firmer steering feel, perfect for spirited driving. N for natural mode offers a balanced and comfortable ride, ideal for daily commutes. Finally, A for advanced efficiency optimizes fuel economy, making it great for longer trips. Experiment with each to find your preferred setting. The Giulia is renowned for its exceptional handling, thanks to its near 50-50 weight distribution. This balance contributes to its remarkable agility and responsiveness on the road. When approaching corners, use smooth and deliberate inputs on both the steering wheel and pedals. The direct steering offers precise control, allowing you to place the car exactly where you intend. Feel the chassis communicate with you, providing an engaging and confident driving experience. To truly maximize your Giulia driving experience, consider using the large, column-mounted paddle shifters for manual gear changes. This gives you direct control over the 8-speed automatic transmission, enhancing the sporty feel. Seek out winding roads to fully appreciate the car's precise handling and powerful engine. Remember to maintain proper tire pressure for optimal grip and safety. Regular servicing will also ensure your Alfa Romeo Giulia continues to perform at its absolute best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.